Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, has shared several principles and insights on how to accumulate wealth over the years. Here are some key principles that reflect Buffett's approach. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Buffett emphasizes the importance of continuous learning. Acquire skills, knowledge, and experiences that will increase your value over time. Number 2. Long-term investing. Buffett is known for his long-term perspective on investing. He suggests picking solid companies with strong fundamentals and holding onto them for the long haul. Number 3. Value investing. Buffett is a proponent of value investing, which involves finding undervalued stocks that have the potential for growth. He looks for companies with a durable competitive advantage. Number 4. Understand the businesses you invest in. Buffett advises investors to only invest in businesses they understand. This means thoroughly researching and understanding the companies in which you plan to invest. Number 5. Margin of safety. Buffett emphasizes the importance of having a margin of safety when making investments. This means buying stocks at a price below their intrinsic value, providing a cushion against market fluctuations. Number 6. Patience. Buffett is known for his patience in holding onto investments, even during market downturns. He believes in waiting for the right opportunities and not being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Number 7. Cash management. Buffett believes in keeping a certain amount of cash on hand. This provides flexibility to take advantage of opportunities that may arise during market downturns. Number 8. Avoid debt. Buffett generally advises against using too much leverage. He believes in avoiding unnecessary risks associated with high levels of debt. Number 9. Focus on quality. Buffett emphasizes the importance of investing in high-quality companies with strong management teams and a competitive edge in their industry. Number 10. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This famous Buffett quote highlights his contrarian approach to investing. He advises investors to go against the crowd, buying when others are selling, fearful, and selling when others are buying, greedy. Number 11. Stay disciplined. Buffett advocates for discipline in sticking to your investment strategy. Avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements and stay focused on your long-term goals. Number 12. Buy businesses, not tickers. Buffett encourages investors to think of themselves as owners of businesses rather than mere stockholders. This mindset can lead to more thoughtful and patient investment decisions. Number 13. Diversification. While Buffett believes in concentration when you have a high level of conviction, he also recommends diversification for the average investor to mitigate risks. However, he warns against excessive diversification, which can lead to mediocrity.